have made it to our first Airbnb in Ecuador, in Cotocachi. This is our little house right here. We haven't had a house for a long time. Usually we have apartments, so we're really excited about that because we have a little more space. We have this cute little porch and patio right here, and we've got a yard. There's our front gate right there. So that's gonna be awesome for like working out. I'm really excited to be able to work out in our yard. Okay, so now let's go inside. So here we are on the inside of our cute little house. Second story. The kids were super excited to have stairs. I don't know why, but they just like having a second story. Probably so they have more space away from us. Here's a little living room though. We've got a little wood burning stove right there. And there's a TV. Obviously the couch. We've even got a guitar, which is awesome. And then here is the little dining room table, fridge. We even have a dishwasher, which I think is the first time, right, Eric?
That is correct.
That's the first time in a year and a half we've had a dishwasher. So that is we're celebrating. Obviously we've got a stove and a microwave. They even left us lots of seasonings and things. So that is awesome. Okay, and then now let's go upstairs and we'll check out the 2 bedrooms up there, which are, the boys are taking advantage of that and having their own room. Because they never get that either. So here we have Austin's room. Austin, we found the guitar.
Yeah, where was it?
It was in our closet.
Oh, okay.
And it sounds pretty good actually. So Austin has this room to himself. He's got a little patio out there. Got 2 big windows. You like your room?
Yeah.
Pretty nice, huh? I really like these wood beams.
That's where I'm gonna hang up my sweatshirts and stuff.
Good idea, I like that. And then we've got Carson's room. Carson probably got the best room because he's got 2 patios. I mean, he probably won't really go out there. And then he's got this nice vaulted ceiling. What do you think of your room, Carson? You like it? Pretty nice. He has the big bed. So yeah, pretty sweet room. Cotocachi, kind of an illegal hike. Once again, doing the illegal hikes because this is part of the national park that is not quite open yet. I guess they're opening it on September 9th, but our guy, Rodrigo, he's like the caretaker of the house we're staying in. He said, oh, I can take you to my mom's farm, and it's right on the edge of this national park. And you can just go up to the trail right there and there's no guard or gate. So that's what we're doing. But it's really pretty, it's super windy. And it's really big. I can't really see this very well from this angle, but hopefully we get some better views a little higher up. We're gonna go down here to see if we can see a view of the lake. Right there. One edge of the lake. It's quite windy today.
Still on our trail here around the lake. Just been stopping periodically for some views. And here's what we got. It's a little dark. What?
Carson, you're getting tall. You're past Dad's chin.
Why? Okay. Dad was swimming long.
Okay, so here's a good view of the lake that we can't pronounce. I don't know how to say it.
I don't remember what it's called.
Kikocha or something? Kikocha? Kichwa? Kichwa?
No.
Maybe Kichwa.
I don't think so.
I don't know. But we're hoping to come back and do this on a sunny day because it's a little overcast and, you know, the water is not as blue as it normally is, but it's still really beautiful.
It's really pretty.
And yeah, cool crater lake, just like Kilauea, but different.
Quarter of the size.
So this is Mohanda, this really beautiful lake right here on top of this volcano. It's kind of windy outside, but we are going to hike up to the top of another volcano up here. That's Fui Fui. We're going to hike up there.
Okay, so we are headed up here on a pretty steep section. No traversing here, it's just straight up. Carson and Mom still sitting on the ground.
Do you got anything new to complain about? Go away, I can't breathe!
Oh, there it is. I can't breathe. That's what I was waiting for.
Alright, making my way slowly up here. Always the last one, because I got the grandma knees. Slowly but surely. But whew, this hike is steep. It's very steep. Reminds me of Acatanago in Guatemala. Plus we've got high altitude, so it's like, I don't know, 12, 13,000 feet. We're not used to that, so it's just a little bit winded, but hopefully it's worth it when we get up to We are nearing the top here. This is our view. It's really beautiful. It's really cool. Oh, we're getting there. We're getting there. Oh, it's a steep climb, that's for sure.
All right, rest break number 172.
172? True.
And going up that way. Doesn't look like it's... Oh, 302. Probably correct. Doesn't look very steep, but...
It is super steep.
That's where we came from.
This reminds me of Acatanago.
This is going to be interesting going down.
Grandma knees is not going to go well.
All right, let's go.
No.
You rest too long, then you get too weak.
Rest break.
No. Your brother and Oscar, they're already up there. Let's go get to them. You can rest break at the top. Oh, there he is. Stepping on his own feet. A little cuddly group, all cold and whiny.
Austin's practicing his moves on me.
Oh dear.
Well, I gotta practice somehow, and I might as well use my mom instead of some random girl.
You can use your little brother.
No.
That's weird.
We all know how that went yesterday. We all know how that went the other day when you guys were trying to take a picture.
Don't touch my ear.
Here we are, folks. Coming down the trail we just went up.
My least favorite part.
Yep.
Going downhill.
I'm gonna go over here.
Well, Carson has officially ditched us. He is probably at the bottom by now. Just decided, I'm not waiting for these fools. And he just took off. So that's nice of him. I think it's gonna rain here pretty soon. I can feel some drops. All right, so today we are visiting the Parque Condor. This is a wildlife rescue center where they rescue condors and other birds that are injured. So we're gonna check it out. Supposedly there's like a flight expedition, flight exhibit, where you can see the condors fly. So we're gonna go check it out. So that is the wingspan of a condor. Austin, you got about maybe 4 feet to go. That's crazy. That is huge. I think their wingspans are like 10 feet, 10, 12 feet. So these are the barred hawks. There's one right here on the ground. He's eating something. He's looking at me. Like, what are you doing? Oh wow. It's cool.
It says these are located throughout.
Okay, let's see what this one is. This is the hawk eagle. They're pretty huge. Look at them. Oh wow. Can't really see that probably in the GoPro, but they're up there on their little perch. They're kind of speckled looking. Those are cool looking. Okay, so what do we got over here?
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
That is a big bird.
That's a solitary eagle.
That thing.
It's really hard to tell probably how big that is, but it is huge.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. He is very big. See if you can see that. So this is a rare eagle. It's really cool looking. Wow. Okay, so that is a Harpy Eagle. Holy moly, he's huge. Massive. He's eating something. He's got giant claws.
He's eating little birds, Mom. Told you.
Wow. Look how huge he is. Let's see what we got over here. We've got gray hawks up here. It's kind of hard to see them way up there on the perch. Looks like Carson's made his way down here. Now those are cool looking owls. They look a little bit like barn owls. So cute. Okay, so this is the condor. The condor cage, I guess. Oh my. Man, they're so massive. Holy moly. Oh, look at him. You're huge. Oh my gosh. Look at that. He's so ugly. So ugly, but so cool. Oh, what do we got in here?
Look at that.
It's a bald eagle. Hey. We've seen lots of those in Alaska, Montana, Washington, Idaho. They're so cool. What else do we got here?
I think that's the osprey.
What's this one, Aunt Cars?
This might be monster.
That looks like or no, a peregrine? Is it a peregrine?
No, peregrines are small. That's a golden eagle.
Yeah,
I don't know what that is.
that looks like a hawk.
I think that's a falcon.
Oh, falcon.
I don't think it's a peregrine.
Cool. We're walking along this road right here, which is right alongside the river. We're headed to Kabuche Waterfall. Just came from the Condor Park. So, interesting fact about this area of Ecuador is it's mostly indigenous people that live here in the highlands. So you see a lot of people wearing traditional clothing, and they look more traditional.
It's not a different church.
I think that's it down there. We should have crossed that bridge and taken those that trail
There's a path down
on the other
the
side.
bridge down there.
Oh,
But, and then, when Atlantis
Headed
showed
down
up,
to the waterfall here.
when Atlantis showed up, you could.
Probably the best way across right there. Yeah. Well done, Carson. Here goes Austin. We got some viewers down there. Your perfect timing. Go, Austin.
oh snap!
Go for it.
I can feel.
Carson, watch out.
You want to hand me your sweatshirt? Because I feel like you're gonna fall.
Go for it.
Here, give me your sweatshirt.
Big push. Don't get stuck in the middle. 3, 2.
Okay, Austin's gonna pole vault.
Big jump.
over
1,
this
2,
river.
3.
Oh my God!
Suck it!
He did it! He did it,
Of
folks!
course I did.
Who's gonna eat it?
Wow, I'm impressed. Do you think I can do it?
No. No with your knees.
I don't think you should try either.
Okay, put that stick across.
You won't be able to. Deeper than you think.
There we go.
You're getting attacked by bugs.
Use your stick.
I am, Eric.
Nice.
I did
There
it!
you go.
All right, here it is. Here's Kabuche. Wow, pretty cool. There it is.
Lower. Lower.
I'd like to see you do that.
What was that squeaky squeal?
I'd like to see you do that.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Dad's turn.
Fail like a donkey.
Fail like a donkey.
This is my fault. You can't use it.
Really?
His spot, huh?
Oh, the hoodie! Here, hold my hoodie down.
No.
Come back there and hold it.
Austin. Okay, just take it off there.
What?
Never mind. All right, here we go. Dunking in the water. You're pathetic. You gotta go higher. Does that feel good, Eric?
What? Yeah, that's nice.
Feels nice? Here's Carson again.
That's better.
Oh, yeah! Oh! He got you good!
You got Austin for me.
And you got Austin in the process.
Oh, not me.
Oh, Carson, that was a good head whip. Hola. Look at these cute little legs. He's just sitting there.
They're a lot smaller than those that we've seen.
Yeah, they are small. Joven? Joven? Joven?
This is joven.
Joven? Ah, sí, sí.
This is
Más pequeño. Sí? Yeah, cute. Oh, Carson. Oh, he's so cute.
If you want, you can use this
Ah, sí.
because
Yeah, sí, 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 sí.
perfect. Yeah.
There we go.
If you want,
Oh, he's gonna lick me. Carson, he's like gonna lick me, look. Oh my gosh, look at this.
So we're on a bus, making our way to
GoPro, stop recording.
up to Hacienda Zuleta. It's departing. We should be up there in like 45 minutes or something. I don't know. But Dingleberry over there is doing his thing, being a Dingleberry. Okay, so we are making our way up to what we believe to be the Hacienda Zuleta. We're told this was a hacienda started by the former Ecuadorian president.
Okay, so this is Hacienda Zuleta. This is the main plaza. So beautiful. And of course, we found the dogs. Carson found a pal. A giant pal named Mambo. His head is bigger than your head.
Okay, we're gonna go to the condors. This way or that way? Let's go to the
Okay, we're gonna go to the condor conservation project first.
Look at him.
He's huge.
He's the perfect dog for Brock.
Yep. Making our way up this road right here into the valley of the condors. We're probably about 2/3 of the way there, meeting up with the biologist that's in charge of the conservation project here at Zuleta. Such a pretty valley, seriously. Hacienda. So beautiful. So these are like a bunch of the rooms. We're gonna get a tour after lunch. So pretty with all the flowers. Okay, we're gonna go eat some yummy lunch. Eric hasn't eaten in over 24 hours, so he's probably very hungry. All right, we got our lunch right here. We got a little fried chicken action right here with some rice. And Carson's got the same thing. And then Eric and I both got the lamb stew. Delicious.
It's pretty good.
And a nice yummy salad, some avocados. I would say that's a winner. So this is another like dining room area. So pretty.
Okay, so we kind of started our little tour here And he's telling us that this doorway and this wall is one of the first sections that were built. Up on the top there's a stone with a script above it. It says built by the Jesuits, and they came and did the building and finished this building in 1691. 1691. Holy moly.
This is the church. So this is where they make the cheese.
This is the,
This
you
is
know, like the
new. Only been here for
exactly
6 months so
also
far.
the history of the cheese factory.
They make cheese and they ship it all over the
This
world.
right here is Gallon. Okay. Here, right here, around 35, 40. But around the 50s,
Here's the factory.
he
It's the cheese factory.
a person from
So we have these women who have brought their milk, and they milk their cows. Here's some more people bringing their milk up here, and they sell their milk to the hacienda. Well, all the cows are back there. No, the guy took them out. They just got done milked. Just got all done milked over there. There's some little calves.
Look at these baby cows. Oh my gosh. Oh, they are so cute.
This guy was born 17th of August. Look how small this guy is. Tiny.
Weather might clear up because it can change pretty rapidly here, but it is very chilly, and this is the third highest mountain in Ecuador. It's about 18,500 feet or so. So we're going to hike up to the refuge, which is right before the glaciers, and just crossing fingers that the weather clears up. Well, it is super cold and windy. We're trying to make it up this trail right here. Can't see anything because it's just cloudy. And it is super high altitude. So we're breathing hard. It's about 16,000 feet.
Whew. That was tough.
We made it.
Coming over here. Super windy. Well, you can't tell, but you can probably hear the wind is just whipping up through there. Man. Okay, Oscar and I came up to the refuge, hike number 2. There's the sign right there.
¿Sí es cómodo para ustedes trabajar en eso? O sea, ¿es cómodo para
Más para los pelos de alpaca.
sí, es más por alpaca?
This is alpaca? Yeah.
O big machine, ¿no?
One of these with the ladies in their hats.
That's
Ponytails.
really cool. Yeah.
I like that better than,
Well, it's definitely more Ecuadorian,
that's kind of what I was thinking.
so I do like that. Yeah, that's cool. Hummingbirds are cool too, but that one, this looks more like Ecuadorian, you know. So this is the guy's shop right here. So the weavers here are famous in Ecuador. This is like the place. You know, some of the best weavers in the country are in this region of Ecuador. All kinds of stuff in here. Look at these guys. What in the world is this? Is this like a little voodoo doll?
Who knows?
Oh my gosh. This store just keeps going on and on. Oh, I love this. Wow, that is beautiful. So pretty. These soft blankets. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I think we are ready to meet.
Okay, so we have moved on from Kabuche and now we are in Ulaman. This is a city that's a little more popular for the shaman medicines.
So this is where we are, where the shaman lives that we're gonna see. He's gonna perform one of his healing ceremonies on Austin. He's got like a special room, I guess, back here that we go to. It's gonna be interesting.
That is
The group he's a part of?
the group of shaman
The shaman group? Yeah.
from Iluman.
This is him. What does he say his name? I don't know his name.
His
Oh,
name?
Alejandro.
Yeah. Alejandro Córdoba.
Yeah.
It is pretty cool.
¿Cómo se sintió ese? Solo ese nomás.
How do you feel?
Bien. Bueno, sí. Un poco más limpio de mi espíritu, pero muy... un poco alto de normal.
Alto de lo normal.
Do you feel less tired?
Sí.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah.
So, Oscar, the point of him drinking the alcohol and spitting it out, is that just like, is that for him to cleanse the... I'm just confused about that.
¿Por qué hace eso escupir el alcohol, o sea, ¿eso a qué ayuda?
No, eso se quita mal espíritu porque te ha caído, espantado, donde quieran, resbalado. Todo eso queda, sacan mala energía. Entonces queda positivo y sacando eso curado.
So that helps to take off the bad energy.
Oh, okay. Oh, bien. Okay, Austin, one more time. We gotta get this on video. This is the Mississippi Mama. Oh, now he's got it.
Got it. Hey, that boy got rhythm.
See? No oy. Got some baskets here. Oh wow, Austin, look at this basket. That's so cool.
Es para poner huevo.
Wow. Wow, muy bonita.
¿Lleva?
¿Qué tipo are they?
It's just a
Yeah, that's really cool.
¿Otro color?
That's cool. Okay, so this is like the main plaza in Cotocachi. There's like the municipal building right here, and then this is the park center, I guess. Kind of weird. So we're headed into a little restaurant that we found, a little cafe that we found a couple weeks ago called Cuckoo's Nest. It's really, really good. So this is the restaurant that is so good, called Cuckoo's Nest. So we're gonna eat here. Oh my goodness! These are our friends, Stan and Roseanne. Hello. This is for our videos.
Oh, okay.
They live right by us, and they are members of the church.
And this is Chula.
And this is Shula, one of their dogs.
Yeah.
Look at her little bow on the head.
Oh, yeah, she's got her Ecuadorian hockey outfit.
Oh my gosh. Looks like Austin found a little bookstore right here. Which book are you reading, Austin?
Carve the Mark.
Huh, have you heard that book before?
Nope.
Oh.
If I had heard of it before,
Look
I
at how old
probably
these
read it.
books are. This is like, these are old books. They're not super old, but yeah, it's cool. The people that own this little cafe also own this bookstore. So this is our walk every day, pretty much. Well, not every day, but when we have to go into town and to the store, we walk along the street right here. And all the restaurants are also downtown. So basically anytime we want to go into town, this is our little walk right here in Cotocachi.